Canva versus Figma, both are powerful, but in 2025, which one's actually better for creators who want to design, build, and share? Canva is the go-to for quick content creation. Think social media posts, presentations, flyers, videos. It's packed with templates, AI tools, and drag and drop ease. It's ideal for non-designers or teams that need to produce high-quality visuals fast. Brand kits, team folders, and magic design make it perfect for marketing, education, and solo creators. Figma, on the other hand, is built for interface design, collaboration, and prototyping. If you're creating app UIs, websites, or design systems, Figma is unbeatable. It's pixel precise, supports real-time collaboration, and works beautifully with dev teams. But it's not made for posters or Instagram stories. It's a product design tool, not a content creator's playground. So here's the breakdown. Canva is better for creators who need fast, beautiful content with minimal effort. Figma is better for designers building apps, brands, and complex design systems. In 2025, for everyday creators, Canva wins. For professional designers and dev teams, Figma is the sharper tool.